Ta-da, ta-da. There we go. Ta-da! How's everybody doing? Is everyone amazing? Is everyone ready for this? Okay. I'm here on time. And I'm mostly prepared, which is impressive. So, that's good to start with, right? Definitely good to start with. Now, like I said, mostly prepared. Louis, what's up? How are we doing? What's up? Have I got contacts on? No. I just forgot my glasses. Here they are. What's up? Hey, Shaki Brown. How you doing? How you doing? Good morning. Wait. There we go.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Good morning, everybody. I hope everyone is amazing. What happened here? Seriously, what happened here? Was there news? Was there a tweet that was tweeted? No, wait, it's not a tweet anymore. Do you still call it a tweet? I don't even know. Gosh, I feel old. Catching gold trades almost midnight here. Nice. Hey, Mego, what's up? This valuation yesterday, I'm doing it. Oh, whoop, whoop, that's amazing. You deserve a special whoop whoop for that. That is. Ayo, David, is it not streaming? It should be streaming. Why is it not streaming? Oh, Cameron Cook. There we go. That makes sense. There we go. It should be working. I hope it's working. Whoop whoop. Bushaki Brown. What's up, David? How are you doing? Huge shout out to David. Actually, David's gonna get some special fireworks for his donation. Because we love David. Okay. Wait, before I get overly excited, let's get this party started. New York high, New York low. Right, New York low is there. You weirdo. There we go. Okay. No. You want to mess with the bob levels? Sorry, I'm excited because I don't know if you saw. This is New York low. Awesome. New York high has been taken. Let's mark out then previous day high. I just call it New York high, but I know it's previous day high. Okie dokie. Asia low is here. Awesome. And Asia high is at the GB gap. David? President, what's up, Eddie? How much does I have David? I don't know. A damn lot. Oh my goodness. What the heck, man? Another dodo? Sure. David's on fire today. You get fireworks just for you right there. High Life, what's up? How you doing, High Life? How's it going? Asia high, marked out Asia low. Okay, this is then not important. That is a previous midnight range. Also not important. Okay. New weekly opening gap, so it might want to pop back down to there. Let's find out. Let's now close that one. Like I need to. It's fine. I feel like I need to get rid of some of these, but it's okay. It's okay. Now. Yes. Okay. Now let's mark out. Wakey, what's up, bub? Nate, how to start trading? It feels like gambling. So why does it feel like gambling to you? Oh, okay, David, you get the fireworks again. Another shout out to David, damn. Damn, David's on a mission. Okay, so we do not... I lie, we have a little bit of a volume imbalance. Okay. We have a little bit of a volume imbalance here. What am I doing? I'm doing this. Oh my goodness, brain cells. Brain cells. Brain cells, awesome. Freaking hell. There we go. Sure. You can see it actually got stuck on there for a little bit. Got stuck in there for a bit. So I'm just going to be taking note of that little bit of a volume imbalance that was created over there. And midnight. Where's midnight at? Back this way. For midnight. There we go. Okay. Midnight open. How's everybody doing? How was everyone's day yesterday? Sorry. Here we go. Ethan, hi. Reggie can trade. What's up? Because gambling and stocks have same upside downs. Okay, explain, Nate. Explain. Reggie's sleepy night. I actually struggled to fall asleep last night. This happened the last time I went back on iron, or the last time I was on iron tablets. It gave me so much energy that I actually struggled to then sleep. But that's okay. That's okay. Still means I have energy. It also means that I need my cup of joe. My cup of coffee. Now, top to bottom analysis. So let's check the daily. So I'm smiling at the indicator. I got a bob indicator. So I'm excited. Okay, so still full this imbalance on the daily, but oh my gosh, this daily looks so bad. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, this daily sucks. Look at this BS. Okay, anyways. Guess I could want to go and close the gap.
Why are you doing this? Why are you even thinking this way?
TY guy, it's not gambling with strategy and discipline. Exactly. Yesterday was killer trading wise and the data went on was boring. Girl couldn't stop talking about the content. Louis? That's a red flag if I've ever seen one, but no. Also, I'm sorry, that really sucks. That really sucks. Where did you even meet this girl? Didn't you lose so many money? Hey Nate, didn't I lose? Well, I'm not exactly proper yet. I haven't even been trading for a year yet. It takes a long time. You have to think of it like studying. Did you not lose money when you went to college and you had to pay tuition and stuff? Finally got rid of one of the kittens, but I'm pretty sure the other cat. Oh my goodness, David, go get the cats fixed. There we go, TY guy. There we go. Can you toggle the indicator off or you draw other things? Or yeah. I can do these. But it's quite nice to see on the daily how it reacts as well. That's what I was kind of looking at. Check how it reacts. Boom, boom. I'm looking at the specific daily candle, but this literally got boom and boom with the bob level. Boom. Middle of that one, but that's okay. Super interesting. So some of these not exactly, I mean, that was freaking bob to bob if I did ever see bob to bob. So yeah, I'm intrigued by how it looks on the higher time frames as well. Okay, so we do have some imbalances happening over here. Nearly tapped into this order block. Alright, time frame. I could want to go back above now. Okay, well, I guess trend is friend until it's not, right? Oh, okay, I see the market's dropping. It is time. It is time. I will go and check out what's happening now. Let's check the 1 hour quickly. Ah, look at that. Look at this. This is ridiculous. Anyways. Anywho. Okay, so imbalance. Bit of an imbalance. All the way down here is a solid imbalance. That rejected nicely off of it. Hey, the bubble. Sorry. I know I'm kind of talking to myself. I'm so sure you guys are so used to that. Hey, wait a minute. Is this a bullish flag for me? Potentially. 15 minutes. Let's go. You can talk about it. I just want to think about it. Red flag for sure. My cousin was trying to play matchmaker. Oh no. No. Boom! What's up? You just been chilling there in the background, not saying hi? It's a little bit weird. Hi, Boom. How you doing? How's it going? There, just missed. Oh. But here it's kind of stuck on VWAP. Oh wait, what? This is 15-minute right focus. Go back below. Hit a bit of sorry, I have hiccups. 5-minute. Oh, my sweetie. Meow. Meow. Sorry, trying to do things with one hand is quite tricky. You gotta give love to the parry. IVPX, what's up? Sorry, Boom. I will never ever judge you. You know I would never judge you. I have too much respect. I just be trading twice a day, morning session, the rest be kind of boring. But fine. Right, Reggie, then you can go and relax the rest of the day. Isn't that the point? To have freedom? Shouldn't be stuck at the charts. You should be able to go and do whatever you want in between the charts. That's the point, isn't it? If that's not the point, then what are we doing? I've already given you a treat today. Goodness gracious. Ugh. Perry just burped. So inappropriate, Pettywinkle. Why do we look weird? Anyways. Put this back on. Why is it resetting? Like a weirdo. Okie dokie. So it's stuck in there. Let's now mark out 3 AM. Okay. Break it. It's not yours. Okay. 3 AM open. Finally broke above. There's the new daily opening. Shoot, that was a really good engulfing. Back up to Asia high. See, it is a little bit chop city. Let's see if we get confirmation on this, especially on the 1 minute before we start jumping into anything. But so far, actually, wait, what is this candle? Oh my gosh. Bruh, why are we doing this? Why are we zooming all the way out when I reset the chart? That's not what it's supposed to do, but okay then. Seriously? Well, that's just running away. That's just running away properly. was watching a few days ago and so you're struggling. Ah, hey, my moots. What's up? Mentally, I'm doing better. Trading-wise, meh, but that's okay. Louis, damn. Louis, you can stay. You are hilarious. What on earth is going on? Damn! Dude, I did say Bob to Bob, didn't I? You've been acting funny lately. Okay, cool, Bob. I was just like, what is this doing? Anyways. Debbie, what's up? Nay, hi. I mean, this just sprinted away without me. Shoot, do you know what's frustrating? I did say today is the day I might start. Anyways, just marketing in with one contract for Bob's Bob level. Just to give it a go. I mean, one contract is not going to lose me anything. It's not gonna, you know. Well, it won't lose a lot. Put it that way. Hit the A button on the price. It'll fit it correctly. I'm sorry, what? Hit the A button. Vladi, what's up? How you doing? Sibsing? Sibsing. I feel like I butchered that. What's up? I took buys on him in Q at 972. Oh, nice. So after this engulfing and after, well, it looked like it was pushing back up. I just took out Asia highs though. Whilst I would be tempted to do this. I got 1, 2, 3, and a shelf. Just don't like how quickly it's dropping, damn. If I had not taken out Asia highs, I would have been a little bit more keen for this. Politely, what's up? What time is it? We're talking melons or cantaloupe? Brandon, what's up? On the left where I stretch the price, yes. Oh! There's an A. Oh. Thanks. See, you learn something new every day. There's a fib, nah, it's Ganbox. Shoot, well, I don't love how it's dropping, but I have... engulfing. The only problem with this trade is the fact that it just took out Asia high. Boom, you're up to K. Nice. Targeting 25036. Am I overthinking? I feel like I'm overthinking. Am I overthinking right now? Brandon, daylight savings kicked in. So yeah, everything's kind of moved up an hour. Amran, what's up? I have 1, 3. I'm overthinking. Duke, named Took. I'm gonna lose my Y. Brandon, is that? No, apparently it was on the 8th, which was not yesterday, the day before, Sunday. I heard melons. I have no idea. Boom mentioned melons. I don't know why we mentioned melons though. Ah, it's created a bulbul. Let's see how it reacts here. See how it reacts off of this volume imbalance. Tapped into it. Brandon, there's some debate about that. I'm not gonna lie. There is some debate about that. Kobe Boyle, what's up? What am I trading? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. What's up? How's it going? Struggling to break above, but not just like rejecting off of it. Huh, okay. We just didn't go far enough down. Oh, never mind. There is the rejection off of the volume imbalance. That's why sun was up much later. Yeah, Louis, obviously. It just knows. Colors are back in play. I'm trying so hard to not overthink this. I am trying so hard to not overthink this. Hey, Soldier Boy, what's up? Razor, I'm looking for a buy here. It did just take out Asia high though. But it's an A+ setup. I have to be better at taking my A+ setups. This is A+. So Razor, I'm trying to be better at taking the A+ setups, even though that does not look great right now, and it did take out Asia high. I'm trying to stop overcomplicating it because it is my downfall. The Soldier Boy, go for it. What's up, Daz? How we doing? Like I said, maybe it's a mistake, maybe it isn't, but it's A+. I'm taking it. I have mitigated risk by a lot, but it's okay. Did anyone catch the pump yesterday after 100 points, 1 minute? Is that push that I saw? What? Okay, so someone, I don't like to say names here. Let's just, someone said something. What did that someone say? Jackie Brown, how's an A+ if it's less than ideal? Because I've got all my confluences. I literally have 4 confluences for this particular trade, which means it is indeed ideal. Let's even out slightly. Didn't quite take the high, but it's headed for highs. Or for it to be right there is quite good. Louis, do I add sugar to my coffee? I normally do, but I do not actually have sugar in it today because the ants are driving me mental. Because it's been raining and the ants in this place, no matter how clean you keep this freaking place, the ants are so irritating. You know, like I tried to seal the sugar bag, so I do not know how, but the ants managed to get in, so unfortunately I had to throw my sugar away and I just gave up, so no sugar. Not a crash. Go sleep, Bob. Damn. Sunny Lalada, what's up? Bornspin, what's up? I'm not trading gold, I'm trading Nasdaq futures. John Smith, go away. What's your average? My RR is always 1 to 2R, Mr. Fix. Actually said what oil prices dropped. Look what happened yesterday. 0.5, but something else. And not just get shredded. The ants are helping you get with your fitness goals. That is hilarious. Look at that. Gotta rely on them ants to help me That's quite funny. I appreciate that. Toast is just bread that's been cooked twice. Hey Gok, what's up? I mean, Kat, I didn't... It isn't time for fun facts yet, but you have a point. So I can't argue with you on that one. Put my stop just above break even. I don't trust this price action. I have not been looking at oil, no. We finally got rain. Hey, night, boom! That is awesome! Finally got some rain. Listen, it's been raining here every night, which is awesome. Let's see how it reacts off of this. What time are we looking at? 3:16. Who mentioned something from 10 to 18? Okay, no, 10 to 18 is not doing what some people have some very interesting ideas, but it's okay. Hey, Prime, or was it Primo? Prim? Anyways, any advice for new traders? Any advice for new traders? Just don't give up. I think that's about it. I think when you're about to break up, when you're about to give up is when you're about to have a breakthrough, is what I was trying to say. But the problem is a lot of people give up. Or, okay, rather, let's rather say this. Manage your expectations. If you think this is going to be a get rich quick thing, it ain't for you. If you're actually willing to put the time and effort in, and if you are aware that this is a marathon, not a sprint, then you're good to go. Break even better than drawdown. Soldier Boy, nice. Great price action right now. Thank you, pumped when oil tanked. Trade, what is the timeline on this trade? What do you mean by timeline? I just kind of said it a little bit ago. Looks like maybe it's not going to come tag me in. That's fine. Taking longs and not shorts. AO, sure. I can. Sweet and simply, with this push that happened up, my strategy is draw from range, and if there's 3 or more confluences, which there were a plethora of confluences, actually, it's then an A+ setup, and I take it to my next level. If you look also, if we zoom out slightly, you can see there's all the way up here. It did tap into this order block, but it did also kind of blow through it. Let's check the 5-minute. So 5-minute did take the highs, and it is a little bit in this resistance level, so I am being a little bit cautious. It is why I have literally mitigated my risk by quite a bit. But in all aspects, this is an A+ setup for me, and I'm trying to stop overthinking, because that is my downfall. I'm aware of what I need to work on, and overthinking is definitely one of them. I miss out on some awesome trades because I talk myself out of them, even if they're A+. So this is A+, I'm taking it. If it works, great. If not, I've literally put the risk down that it is what it is. Oh, for crying out loud. Wait, where's this A gone? Apparently the A is on. Why are we doing this? That is so irritating. Maybe it's because it is on. Now that I've turned it off. Nope, didn't work. Rara for the mood. Stupid. Why are we playing sad music? Respecting there. This also kind of looks like a bull flag. Could be wrong, but this kind of looks like a bull flag. Okay, let's see what happens. You're welcome. Did you trade yesterday? I did not, Jag. I did not. Brandon? Except you're going to lose before win. Hammer, what's up? New York has better price action. Can't catch walk. I mean, that's why I trade both. I trade London and New York session. That was so close. It just didn't come and get me. Okay. Correct idea, just didn't come and get me in. But it would have been a winning trade. See? Okay. Okay, there we go. Like I said, just didn't come down far enough. If it had got down like what's this? Like 3 more ticks? 4 more ticks. Hello. Why'd you just boop me with your nose? And it would have been a winning trade. Bob to Bob. Seriously, people, Bob's Bob. What was playing out, you know, yes, for sure, but London sometimes has great opportunities. I agree with you on that one. But they moved hammer to the Bob ladder again, yeah. What prop firm I'm currently using in top 1 futures? Ah, that was so mean. No, I used full range, which is correct, but look at that. That one would have tagged me in. Oh well, can't be upset about that. It's fine. Okay, well now it's gone Bob to Bob. Now it's a little bit more like meh, meh, meh. Let's see how it reacts off of this. Okay, taking out a bunch. Hey, that days, what's up? Is it like a 15-minute thing or I don't know? Oh, are you asking like how long my trades normally take? Is that what you're asking? Yeah? I'm done for the day. Why, Hammer? What happened? I also trade Bitcoin and gold. Only trade using support and resistance and I'm not going well. Can you suggest something to improve my accuracy? Maybe you need to try and find some more confluences, or what setup do you have? Sleeping at 4 AM was a mistake. OTT, were you having fun though? I think that's what's important. Yeah, I'm really close to TP. Nice. There we okay. Right, yeah. So it really depends on the day. I've had it where I've been in and out within like a minute. And then I've also had days where I've been in a trade for over an hour. It really just depends on the price action for the day. A lot of people 40k lower hold. Rub life, what's up? Did 2 trades, both won and made 9k yesterday, so I'm scared of getting tilted. Oh no, Hammer, lock yourself out if you can. Call it, call it. Do not do it. How do you see people collecting data on how long their trades play out? Everyone does their own thing. Yeah, for me personally, it just depends on the day. Yeah, like I said, I know some people that are in and out within seconds. Yeah, mine is more of a hands-off strategy, so it really depends. You think this is the high of the month, now it's only going to go low. What makes you say that? Out of curiosity. Okay. I feel better having called that. Anyways. Louis! Whoop whoop, that's amazing! Whoop whoop for Louis. That is awesome. Yeah, Dan, just here for the chat before I go. Well, you found one, Hammer. You found one. You trade pre-London, beta. Oh, there's so many question marks about if this is pre-London or not. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Anyways, so many question marks about whether this is already pre-London or not. But yes, for now, I guess you can say I trade pre-London until everyone's in agreement that where London is. Okay. Have you had your inner health plus tip? Dev, what's that? Eh? What's that? Eh? ZS date. Zed, what's up? What's up? And the boy, what's up, the boy? How are you doing? How do people not know daylight savings? OTT, the problem is people have different thoughts and opinions on this. I know, how nice would this trade have been if I, well, if it had, not if I had taken it, guys, I did, I placed it, I set it, I left it alone. If it had come to tag me in. Oh shoot, okay. I'm actually still solid on the 5 minute, not loving that it would look like that. It should also theoretically be the full range, but the full range is going to be too large. I would have to see how it reacts coming off of Bob level, but let's set it for now. If it's gonna go slowly down, it's good. If it's going to come roaring down, not so good. But it does have all the confluences that I need. Okay, I'll do 3. One, 2, 3. OTT, do you see? I'm trying my best to stop overthinking today. That is my only goal for today. To stop overthinking everything all the time. Hi from Vancouver, what's up? You don't have that ad on TV in SA? No? Well, to be fair, I don't really watch things that have ads, so... 9 AM is Frankfurt open, that's why we have spikes on 9 AM South African time. Can't buy Ferrari if NQ keeps missing entries, I know! Except... bruh. Except it's not going to be a Ferrari. We all know it's going to be a bright pink Bugatti. Be better, Robocop. Be better. You should know this. Honestly. I'm not mad. I'm just disappointed. You know, I had to say that to one of my friends the other day. I felt like such a mom. But it's okay. Kemlol, am I thinking longs or shorts? I mean, this is just... friend is friend until it's not, right? That was a solid rejection. Not wanting to go there. But yeah, trend is friend until it's not, and this is just to the moon, so only to London time, and then you'll see the London stock market's open at 8 AM London time. Yeah, but I keep New York time specifically for New York. Solid rejection there. Am I doing journaling? Yes. Why, Mr. Fix? Only got in because of the engulfing candle. Which engulfing candle? At the very bottom. To be fair, if I was better with my Bob levels, that's where I would have also wanted to get in. Made you wait for the new one. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, good grief. Excuse me, sir. Such a Gen Z drinker. Also two beats better clarity. The race just and after it is about just 5% change after every price hike, so I suggest advising to keep the buy limit a bit higher. Just for a quick test. Hey, dead presidents, what's up? Yeah, it just didn't come in and get me. Hey, oh well, it's fine. I haven't even done my top-down analysis yet. Oh, good grief. So just some Kiwi lad, what's up? So this will be pullback now, let's see. Well, the way it's rejecting off of this, I would agree. Let's check the higher time frames quickly. 5 minutes. This is why I normally wear my headband, but the headband's been irritating me recently. But it stops my glasses doing this. And then like I look like an old timely librarian who has to sit like this and read things. Anyways. Sorry, I know I'm pulling a face. On the 5 minute, this is a freaking massive W formation. Is that just me? I know you have to look for SMTs, N, and N, and N, but does this not look like a massive W formation that's just formed here? Which means, yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. It should retest slightly and then continue back up. Just what I suspect. If it is a correct W formation, then yes, it should retest slightly and then shoot off to the damn moon. Do you think today is the day where it actually goes for these equal highs, New York high, like all of this unmitigated stuff over here? Possibly. But where would it, if we use the 4 range? Nah, this thing is just running. Oh no, what does it look like on the 1 minute? No, 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 no. Have I missed it? Oh my gosh, why are you doing this? Why are you doing this today? Trading view, you're going to make me want to slam my head against a brick wall. Nope, don't like that. Not the biggest fan of what it's doing there. This is again mahusive. Okay. It took long, but I was so scared I sold after 50. No! It's okay. Hey, Mr. Beast SA, sorry about that, yeah. I'm still holding longs for the last 30 minutes. Nice. Price comes to 0.5. It's still a valid trade. Like, theoretically it is, but it's created so many imbalances. You would actually, sorry, I'm quickly just seeing something. What time are we looking at? 3:30. Theoretically, but I'm not feeling as confident in this one as I was the other one. Not really like I was super chuffed with that one because it just took out Asia high, but still. I didn't sleep, my eyes hurt enough and then I tried to end me. OTT, I'm sorry, go sleep. Wait, what did I do? How did I try and end you? What did I do? Inverted head and shoulder pattern while going upwards, so there might be a possible reversal. Jay, is Bitcoin going up or down? No idea. Soldier Boy wigged out? Are you asking me if I got wigged out? It didn't even wick me in. Unfortunately, if it had wicked me in, it would have been such a beautiful trade. Mr. Beast, I don't know why, but you sound South African. Maybe it's because I am South African. What the? Yeah, I actually am South African. How you doing? I'm KZ Inside. Where are you from? Mr. Beast. Journal is gold. I was trading 55% win rate strategy because I had a good journal. I cut out many days with low win rate. Now I trade 2 days a week, about 7 trades a month. How big are those trades, Mr. Fix? Julian, should I go to work today? I mean, not the worst idea if you want to make money, right? I guess, you know. Maybe don't rely on a stranger of the internet to tell you that, but thoughts on Tesla stock now that they discontinued the vehicle production entirely? Jay, no idea. That chart, I'm pretty sure my eyes caught on fire. It's not my fault. That is not my fault. It's not my fault. TradingView is doing some weird things today. I do not know why. Why is it doing this? Why is it that when I'm saying reset chart view, it's just going and zooming out to the end of the freaking earth? See, this is not great. I don't... Yeah, I'm not trusting this. I have no idea, but every time you say Soldier Boy, I hear Soldier Boy. If you know, you know. No way, it's Mr. Beast, that's amazing! I only work remotely from now on. Technically, I made my 55% remuneration to 70%, but profit was not increased. If I cut out my noise strategy was 5. Oh, it's okay. Oh my gosh. Wait for 0.2 if it has manipulation. I'm not mad, I'm just disappointed. Yeah, honestly. Why does volume scare you? Just some Kiwi lad? Why do you think volume scares me? Not so much volume, I'm aware of when it starts to dip down like this, especially when it comes to wanting a long. This is not ideal. I've realized when it comes to longs, if it goes slow down, quick up, you like that. When it comes to looking for shorts, if it's actually a little bit scary, but sometimes the quick up and then quick back down is the way to go for shorts in particular. Just what I've noticed. Watch this work out. Okay, stuck on this bob level. Let's see what happens here. Like I said, I didn't like this trade. Maybe I'm overthinking again, but yeah.
Good morning.
You don't have to hit reset when using it. No, TY guy, what I'm saying is it shouldn't zoom out like that. It should take me to where the price is. The fact that it's zooming out is the problem. Normally it just takes you to where the price is. It shouldn't like zoom me out to itty bitty bits. Hey Muddy, what's up? Yeah, this is too much momentum. I have a different model on high time frame, but I learned that this hardware is trying to stop a train with a snowball. I love that, trying to stop a train with a snowball. Ninja, either way, I'm gonna hop on earlier because I cannot stay later. As it is, I have less time with my horses. I rush around like an idiot. I can't be here from this time to this time and then get here in time for New York Open with the daylight savings that I've kicked in. So I'll do pre and beginning of London rather, and that's that. To review on Newton after having enough data sets. Just saying, work for me. Nice, Mr. Fix. Okay. Boojay, what's up? Yeah, I checked mine. Isn't doing that. Mud Crab, love the new. Oh, you just like me not having my whatchamacallits, the headband. The headband. See, I didn't even think people cared about the headband, though. Fine, whatever. Which sharp hand strategies do you suggest to use on a daily basis? Namish? That really depends per person. Understood, it takes 2 to 3 weeks for London to kick in, so maybe by month end things will be in sync again. Yeah, exactly, Ninja. So, until then, I will trade the usual hours. I'll shift up an hour with the daylight savings. I find the best trades for me is from 8 to 11 a.m. That's interesting. And during New York, Hammer, or not even during New York? Do you not like trading New York time? That's interesting, actually, if that is the case. See, for longs, maybe I'm wrong, maybe this shoots back up now, but for longs in general, you want slow down then fast up. This went fast down and now slowly retracing. Like I said, it might come prove me wrong and it might shoot back up. But yeah, not so keen on this one. Like I said, maybe it works. But if I'm feeling about it, that should also be good enough reason. Soldier Boy, for tab 0.2 you're going along. I'll try and skip New York. Interesting, why is that? Does it just not work for your strategy? That's very interesting. Muddy. I guess people could yell at me and say, you know, trend is friend until it's not, theoretically. But that being said, theoretically, I should be using the full range because it did not tag the 50% of the previous. So full range is there. This should be entry for the long. Don't love that it's stuck in the bob level either. Yeah. I'm back green for the week. Hey, whoop whoop, Muddy, that's awesome. Order for 2501 for a long. I'm looking to pay 2520. Shadyfied, what's up? How you doing, Shadyfied? Lots of profitable traders here. I think so. Maybe this is a bit intrusive, but I'm genuinely curious. If you guys don't mind, I'm gonna do a poll. Who is a Alright, let's see. Because I'm also genuinely curious. Let's see how many people are profitable. Market. I'm not from India. What's up? Yes, I have in the morning, afternoon, but same down, please. That's hilarious. Sorry, I read what Hannah said. Just had a quick look at his, and they only just all the model S and X open models already. Oh damn. Hey, Ingy Show, what's up? How we doing? Well, I mean, I wouldn't be here if I wasn't profitable. I would quit a long time ago. But losses are lessons, a part of the process. I'm never gonna make 100% win rate. Good question. For me, profitable would be 3 months. Yeah, I would say if you at least had like a payout for 3 months. I don't know if 3 consecutive months, but yeah, if you've gotten a payout for 3 or more months, maybe. So what is Bob zone? These zones right here. Sweet and simply, wait, let me... They're basically institutional levels where the markets tend to react. Can I put down it's complicated? I mean, Robocop. Yeah, I guess. Trading community is good one. Profit, other profit. That's profitable here. Currently average 1k in profit with losses including 8 away from passing eval. Nice though! Your guy 800, thank you. Bye-bye. L76 official. Oh, there's so much debate about that. Let's not even get there. London has opened daylight trading, as Maya calls it. Drop your entry, we copy who's profitable here. What's up, Samuel? How you doing? Let's see, maybe it just lost all of its momentum. If not, then lesson learned? But still meh. But still meh. Let's see. Over my 12 accounts. Doesn't then open at 15. L76 official. So, why I say it's a debate. Literally a debate. A 50-50 debate. I did a poll yesterday. So, daylight savings kicked in on Sunday, or the 8th. Daylight savings kicked in on the 8th, which means everything shifted up an hour. there are debates about whether London has opened yet or not. Literally split 50-50. So I'm not going to open that can of worms. Maybe it is pre-market, maybe it's not. I'm just going to trade what I see in front of me. I always respected the 4 a.m. regardless of if it's going to be London open or not. All I know is here at London open, or at 3 a.m. EST time, we started getting some solid freaking volume. If that means it was just an hour, like pre-market, an hour ahead just went wild, cool. If not, has someone ever had this happen when over time they slowly move away from their model but don't notice? Oh, interesting. Yeah, I said London Open hasn't changed yet. Exactly, Bujay. That's why I'm not about to get into this debate. No, L76 official. Yeah, well then for now, I actually don't even know what to tell you. Like I said, it was a 50-50 divide. It was literally a 50-50 divide. So, by end of this month, you'll know definitely that it's moved up. But until then, check on index. That's up or not. It's 5 a.m. in London right now. New York changed daylight savings, but in London, it's next Thursday. Oh, there we go. But it's an algo, so it doesn't matter what time it is in London. That's why it's throwing everyone off. Exactly. Why it's buying, I don't know. Did someone tweet something? 3 months aren't that meaningful in my opinion. Back when I wasn't profitable yet, I also had lucky periods, months. Okay, wait, then let's say 3 consecutive months in a row of consistent payouts. How about that then, Marcel? Is more meaningful if you're positive. After that, it likely means you have a positive expectancy. Okay. Okay, that's interesting. I guess at the end of the day, the more data you have, the better, right, Marcel? Until then, we will chop. OTT trade New York Open, problem solved. Before markets go back into sync. How many socks am I wearing? I'm not wearing it. Maybe I should lie. I am wearing socks. In core content, I see time on training you and roll with it. I'm pretty sure it was core content. Don't remember what month of core context. I shouldn't, but that's exactly. I've got New York time on here, and that's what we do. Shady fired. Hope that's what I'm kind of hands off waiting for, especially. Okay, we have 10 minutes. This might go back up, but volume has died down now. Maybe I was wrong. Maybe this is now gonna start pushing back up. In which case, seriously. Because that's how I had it. It did take out a bunch of buy-side liquidity though. Not quite what you want to see. You want to see, I'm not great with the engulfing when it comes to bob to bob, but I'm better with the rejection. So let's see if it comes back and rejects. And then I might buy bob to bob level. You should have said one sock. Gosh. Yeah, it is. Delani Chris, I am in drawdown. That's the only correct answer. Stay locked in regardless. No, 100%. Okay, let me see how this reacts here. This, okay, let's see. This kind of looks like a double top on ES right now. Yeah, this looks a little bit like a double top on ES currently happening. getting a bed. Hey Pillar, what's up? How you doing? I would bail her out. Bullish on everything, need pullback to get long, watching oil and from Steam tweets. Sam, that is wow. Wow.
Nice.
That was good. That was really, really good. You're wearing one sock and feeling proud. Guys, I need to show you my chicken socks. Like my chicken feet socks. You know those like... Okay. I need to show you them. I have a pair. They are so funny. They are my favorite pair of socks. The story begins after price breaks a new high. I thought you were in the US. No, I'm actually KZN side. What's up? What do you mean I use one sock? I'm young and innocent. I do not use leverage, no. Okay.
Why are you doing this? Why are you even thinking this way?
What are you guys talking about now? Do I actually, you know what? Maybe I don't want to know. Maybe I do not want to know. Maybe that's just the end of it. Yeah, see, this is not rejecting off this bob level as I would like to see it reject off of this bob level. Come on. I do. How? The party lady for a number. She said your face looks... Sam, that was pretty solid. That was a solid joke. Respect. That was solid. I don't know. Okay, cool. Ever went aggressive in personal account? Soldier Boy, I haven't really had a personal account, so no. Have I tilted though? Sure, I used to when I was strategy hopping. This is why I'm very nervous about marketing in. Marketing in for me personally, problem. Oh my gosh, the emotions, just the emotions. I promise you, I think I blew an account in one day because I marketed in and it did the opposite. I marketed it and I did the opposite. So then I said, screw it, and I faded myself and I marketed in obviously the opposite. Let's say I sold, and then I said, screw it, fine, then I'm just gonna buy. And then it got me again. So I properly tilted that day. I think I blew an account in one day. I think that was the worst I've ever had, and it's because of marketing in. That's why I'm oh so cautious about it. I'm going to try, especially with the bob to bob levels. I'm really considering it. But I'm going to obviously be cautious about it. Like I said, this looks like an M. This looks like a double top that's forming. Could be wrong. I just suspect. We have lost volume now. What's the time looking like? We have 6 minutes to go until 4 a.m. or London Open or whatever it is you want to call it. How long have I been trading? 11 months! Yes, that is what happened. You are correct. Assault. That is why I do not market in anymore. That's called whiplash. Oh, really? There's a name for it? Guru? What? What's up, Guru? Invest hedge? What? Silver swings 25100. Oh, damn. Well, it's getting there. How your horse? What? Are you asking how my horses are, or are you actually calling me horse? But these ones, yeah, well, I can see them still. I don't need to mark them out just yet. Dollar cost averaging work a lot better for swing traders. London, yep. How do I even trade this? Like a boss. No, I'm kidding. That was very cocky. Oh gosh. Leo, why do you always put that by my name? What's up, Leo? London Open was at 9. Times have changed. It changed on the 8th. Balani, Chris, careful. This is why I'm saying be careful. If there's a literal debate going on about it, that's why I'm like, oh heck no. Oh heck no. Let's be careful about that because good grief. Huh, okay. Let's see. So there we had 66. We had some honest people. I love it. Whiplash leads to revenge trading very fast, trust me. No, I know it was bad. Guru, I do not know what you're speaking, but I do not understand. Profitable long-term trader, but yet to be profitable day trading. Oh, interesting. Do you want to start trading? Day trading. English, nailed it. Cool. You want to start day trading, or what's the plan? No, see, see, like I said, it's opening a whole can of worms. Just give it 3 weeks, and then people can't say anything. Then yes, it will be open at that time. There is a long trade now, but RR is too small. Green Giant, what's up? What am I trading? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. How you doing? Referencing that some of the actual profit. No, I'm not. No. I was just saying, you know, it wasn't like 100% of people were like, yes, I am profitable. So just in general, people were honest, which I really, really appreciate. Right? That's the whole point of this channel. Honesty is the best policy. She's trading her time for a community. Wow. JDAM sold already? Nah, not yet. I don't know if this is going to sell yet. I'm watching how it reacts here. I'm waiting for some more confirmations. Not received any confirmations yet. It's 2 minutes to go until 4 AM EST time. I'm just gonna stay safe and just keep saying 4 AM EST time. Okay, you do with that information what you will. You know what made me profitable? Don't let losers run. Smaller targets, wait for the trade. After wins, walk away for the next day. Interesting. If the chat don't know if you're replying, but... Oh, Shady Fight. No, I didn't take the trade. Entry would have been here. I didn't take the trade. I didn't like how the chart looked. Maybe that's bad. So, I guess, yes, bad, because it was A+. Theoretically, I should have taken it, so bad. I would have still been in the trade. I just didn't like this rejection off of this level. Yeah. Green Giant? What are you gonna pay? Anyways. I played on demo, but real is different. Do you know what? No, let's not get into that whole thing right now. That's fine. Shush. Shut up. Just shut up. Okay, 1 minute to go. Well, 30 seconds to go, if we're being exact. Excuse me? I'm gonna let you go and think about what the heck you just said. If I can find you. I can't find you. Where are you? But I was being so Louis, but that's fine. Rather conservative than doing something silly. What prop firm do I use? I'm currently using Top 1 Futures. Oh, okay, so it would have worked. Interesting. Okay, so here is 4 AM. Do with that information what you will. Let's see. Still don't love this reaction. I liked how it looked earlier. Goodbye, especially very emotional. Aww. That's okay. See, small TP taken. Minority voice. Oh, I was going to say something rude and then I was like, nope, 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 nope. Let's not start a drama so early in the morning. Not a fake breakout. I literally signaled you. Yeah, no, I'm not here for signals, but thank you. You're interesting. Sounded like Russian. What? What? Oh, the way I said it. Oh, I was about to be like, what? You think I sound Russian? And still going. Nearly TP. Nice. I am doing it on a prop firm. I am on a funded account though. What's up? Yeah, no, I was like, oh, I was gonna say something, bro. So rude. So rude. But it's okay. Good grief. Who let all the meanies out of the woodworks? Seriously. Went down and wicked better off of this level, maybe. Swing for money. Hey, money, nice. Okay, well, let's see. Let's see if it gets to ya. Would be cool if it does. It's so close. Let's see how it reacts here. Oh shoot, what did I say? Again? Right? Oh, interesting. Well, no, now I'm butchering it. See, if you put me on the spot to do things, I cannot do it. Then I panic. Then I'm like, oh. This is why I would never be able to be an actor of any, or actress, whatever, any shape or form, because they'll be like, act natural. I'm like, do an accent. Nope. Do it accidentally. Got it. Nailed it. Still not loving this. So yes, that would have been TP. That's fine. It is what it is. It looked like a double top. A lot of people believe this is going higher. Potentially. I mean, that was a... Let me have a look here. So it was an engulfing and a volume imbalance. Not quite A+. It's not an A+ setup. Hey, Dennis, what's up? Act out some back testing. Wow. What did Debbie say? Oh, don't worry, Debbie. Do an accent. Nope. Okay. What does this look like on the 5-minute quickly? Oh shoot, I guess this actually would have been a goodie. This trade here. 1, 2. That being said, yes, only 2. Up, and away. So close, Muddy, so close. Also, you talk about these equal highs. I do have it marked out. Right here. At 140. If that's what you're talking about, Muddy, I've already got that marked out. I also have these ones marked out as well. Unless there's some over here that I'm missing. No, not really. Yeah, but I have those relative equal highs already marked out. Okay, yeah, we have lost some volume now. Oh my goodness, why? Why? Just freaking why? Why are we not going like a normal freaking thing like we're supposed to? Anyways, there we go. Okay, moving on. Yeah, okay, sort yourself out. Muddy, so close to TP. So close. Stop. Bro, who the hell? Like, I'm not are you signaling? If you are signaling, then stop. I think the Wiggles had a stroke, yeah. Don't get it. Solly. This new leg looks delicious when it starts to retrace to point of interest. Is it Sam? Is it supposed to be Sam 4C8? How long have you been watching, by the way? Hey, Trade Delicious, what up? How you doing? How you doing, Trade Delicious? How's it been going? Hey, Muddy, whoop whoop. Muddy, noise. Muddy got taken. That was awesome. I'm gonna keep a note of this. If it looks like this, then we're good to go. Back up. Do you have a runner to the equal highs, Mud? I guess once it's taken out those equal highs, I could have a solid retracement back down. Until then, I guess trend is friend, right? Let's see what I think about that. I'm very green, nice. Hey, USA Diary, what's up? How you doing? I do 2 ticks under. Okay, cool. Yeah, 100%. Well done, Mud. Oh, damn. There it goes. Okay, let's see if this is going to start retesting now. Whoop, whoop, Mud. Sure. Look at you go. Solid bob to bob. There's some more equal highs up above still, but let's see how this reacts here. For retracement back to that point of interest. Sure, these are some hectic. Let's just go like on the 5-minute. If it comes back down, it's coming back solidly. If it's going back up, it's going to go for the equal highs. 15-minute. Solid equal highs, these equal. Well, me. Still a point of interest up above. Okay, so who's gonna yell at me for overthinking again? Seriously, I had one goal today. Stop overthinking. Guess what I did? I never thought. Oh shoot, wait, I might be missing something on the 1 minute. Let's see. Oh, I'm too freaking scared to just... There we go. Engulfing, back down. I want to see it wick out of this real nicely. Is it gonna though? So Dom is in a short. I think a few people are in shorts now, hey? Session B. Demonte, interesting. I have no idea. How do you guys think New York is gonna be? Hey Bruce, how goes it? How goes it? Watching what happens at this level here. Back to top levels. Step in when it's deep enough liquidity. I'd say back to pop and retrace and probably consolidate till New York open. No ways. Oh, I mean, yeah, it's interesting. Let's put it that way. It's definitely interesting. Take this trade. What, the short? Demonte, because I was looking at a short here. Just saying. I was looking at that. Only if it rejects off of that level better. CPI might consolidate an estimate tweet something. True. Buy the 50% retracement. I don't like where the stop is though. Stop's in a really yucky place. What are those? Well, it's a GAN box, and they're my own settings, so it's not the fib levels. And I think New York can watch up for retrace. Don't trust it as a confluence. Interesting. Why? Okay, don't take the trade, but document it. Okay. Louis, I mean, it's much of a muchness, and then you can use this. They're pretty similar. I just put, oh, sorry. I just put my own things there. Yeah, it's much of a muchness. Friend is friend until it's not. 3. Okay. Trippy, never seen that. I'm gonna try it. That's hilarious. I wouldn't quite call it trippy, but sure. Let's go with trippy. Okay, take the 5 minute again. See, Demonte, on the 5 minute, this is terrible.
Hi.
That's better on the 5 minute.
Hi. Good morning.
Hey, bad boy, what's up? How you doing? So, Sabin, I was trying to teach Bob what now means. So I think I said something else like, yeah, I'll do it now. He's like, no, don't do it now. It's late. I'm like, okay, sorry. This is going to aggravate the ever-living goodness out of me. Anyways, holy guacamole. That's gonna frustrate me so much. Okay, moving on. Because I have the bob levels, it shouldn't make a difference if I have that on. I turn it off. Expecting the volume imbalance, but it's tapped into it twice now. And Demonte like that 50% retracement, so that wouldn't have been tagged in. Let's see. You asked me a question and didn't want the answer. Muddy, what? What do you mean? It will be a false because it's semi-liquidity sweep. Hey, Brooklyn, what's up? Bad boy, what's up? Australian accent. Debbie, so did I. Well, that's not ideal. Three. Okay. Here, if you can stop snoring, that would be amazing. I'm checking things out. Sure, it's still respecting the heck out of this. But buyers are still wanting to take control. Interesting. And Wi-Fi is having a freak out. How's the stream, guys? Is the stream still fine? I see the Wi-Fi is having a freak out. Okay. Personally, I don't get worried if the market's moving fast. If the trade is valid, then it's valid. It just means get my results fast, especially when trading market structure. Just some Kiwi lad, how long have you been trading for, out of curiosity? Used to get... That's very... It's like the 25089 to... the contract for... Damn! Whoop whoop! OG Mike... Roch? We all being played, all good, you're in, amazing. The stream is wigging slightly, but nothing, man. Okay, so the huge. Oh, damn. Huh. Interesting. Okay, then. Back down to point of interest, potentially. Yeah, mustn't rush into it, though. So I'm watching how it respects some of these things here. 32 years full time. What? Oh, 2 to 3. Oh. Take your buy or sell. I just wanted you to take a trade. Thanks, Demonte. No, I appreciate that. I appreciate that, and it's valid. The hesitation be real recently. Real frustrating. And real irritating. But real, and it's something I need to get over. It's a troll name, but it's not like a super troll name. Oh, got it. Aww. OG Mike, you're amazing. I checked my gold trade, hit TP2, some green, I'm gonna get a never ending story tattoo. Oh, Louis, that is so cool. That is amazing. Hey, Muddy. Cool, look at you go. Muddy, you said don't trust this shelf. I specifically thought do not trust it. Nice. See, I do listen. Sometimes I don't acknowledge, but I listen. I'm down on green week. 4 trades, 2 green. My greens were a lot bigger than my reds, which is nice. Damn, Muddy, whoop whoop. So this is for anyone that's up now. Well done. Sure. Huge whoop whoop. That is amazing. Well done, guys. It's always been called the same on UK. He wants to see. So what I'm hearing is Australia party. When is his birthday, Debbie? When in December? December babies unite. Which fund account size do you recommend? I really want 100k, but it'll take ages to pass. So 50. Yeah, 50k is a good way to go, Leo. For me, I think 50 makes a little bit more sense. It's not too small, not too big. All shop. Yep. Exactly. Nice. Nicely called. Very nicely called there. Oh, Demonte's gonna laugh at me. Oh no. Okay. Any more people you want to break? Wow. We're gonna just have an Australia party. Anyone wants to come to Australia? Australia. I can't even say that correctly. Because I'm trying to say it in an Australian accent. Watch, if I do not try and say it in an Australian accent, I would probably nail it. Oh my gosh, I want to take this bob to bob. That was a solid rejection off of that level. Let's see what it does here. It's one contract, it's one contract, it's one contract, it's one contract. It's so frustrating. I'm telling myself to do it, it's just not happening. Do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. I couldn't do it. I don't trust myself yet, damn it. What's Straya? It's said exactly rhyming with your name. Maya Straya. No, I don't know. No, see, I can't do it. Leo, just do it. Yeah, probably Demonte. Though that being said, I've kind of also accepted that it could happen and it's fine. So it's a little bit of a mixed kettle of fish there, if you will. Sheila's love it done. Yes, stock bro, that is so funny. Oh my goodness. You Australian? See, I know a Sheila's woman, I know that, believe it or not. Hey Clinton, what's up? We're trading the Nasdaq futures. Well, I'm looking at it, questioning my life. Just kidding. Just kidding. Okay, actually, wait. Before I forget. It is fun fact time. Let's do this. Let's do fun fact while we're waiting for me to get out of my head. But if it sounded hollow, oops. Here we go. So, fun fact. Pub is short for what? Pub is short for public house, which means that an establishment is licensed to sell alcoholic drinks for drinking on the premises. Ah. I didn't know that. Did you guys know that's what pub stood for? For public house. I mean, it looks like it just shortened to, they just, you know, took away house completely. Okay. See, that was, I wouldn't quite say that was fun, but it was interesting. There we go. Fun fact of the day. Done. Guys, let's see what it's doing now. Going back up. If this now rejects solidly off of the bob level, then I will sell. Then I'll get over myself. I'm sorry, what did you just say? Fun fact, Maya's a natural blonde. I wish. Love fun facts. There we go. Hasn't started in your account. The trades you take are for education purposes. You're still forward testing your strategy. True. That's you're from the pub. What the heck? Hey, Clinton already said what's up to you. Fun fact. I'm tuning into my stream live from a grab house. What? What did you? What? Solly, what the heck did I just read? What? Do I do? I'm sorry. Huh? Just for whatever the heck Solly just. Whatever the heck Solly just freaking typed there. Okay then. Bro. Nearly broke my light. Huh. Okay. This might just be the consolidation that happens now. Huh. Only till if you leave them alone, they're not scared of you. Explorer, what's up? Fun fact, the hair flicks is more entertaining than the wiggles right now. Yeah. To be fair, I have so much hair. Look, it's annoying. I know a lot of people are like, oh, you have so much hair, it's so pretty. It is chaotic. It's why I have to sleep with it plaited every night. Stop, bro. But we're heading downside. I think we are too, but I think... Okay. I'm going to fix it. Size down, go back and study old winners. What do you do to get rid of the hesitation? Oh, Blade? Good question. Let's ask. That's an awesome question. For people who are struggling low-key with the hesitation and fear right now with the funded, what would you guys suggest? Do I trade Australian futures? What are Australian futures? Hey Tom, what's up? Do I do crypto trading? No, sorry. Wait, I'm in USA and I hate it. Yeah, I wished. Damn, Stock Pro, that was rough. Come on, let's see if we get a rejection here or not. Be patient, be patient, be patient, be patient, be patient, be patient, be patient. This is actually chopping. Do not trade the chop. Give me a second. Okay. Need a bit more of a rejection. That's decent, but clearly the buyers are in play right now. Okay, I can see. Ben, it's a flag. What's up? I'm back, Ben. Psychology is important to feel and train yourself. Yeah. Trading will not because if you come from the risk of your money is suggesting not. So many rejections. Oh my goodness, so many rejections off of this. Okay, just took out the high there, created a bit of an SMT. Let's see here. Said the buyers want to be in control. It's just not letting it. It doesn't want to break out. No, it does not. Consolidation. I know. Problem is, it's slowly pushing higher while consolidating. Takes time. Sugar honey iced tea. I want to take the sell. But it's chopping. But it's chopping. But it's chopping. But it's chopping. Don't trade the chop. Let us forward chase this a little bit. There we go. Let's see, I went, okay, going on there. This would have been that trade, just by the way. This is solidly chopping right now. Okay. Let's see if it breaks out of the chop. I don't know why I checked where the other freaking earbud was. You can go on YouTube and find some let's switch personally, look it up 1 minute 5 and blah 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 blah. Yeah, I get what you mean. Come back to execution after watching 2 to 3 trades playing out live. If you have to stretch, you need to learn how to take it without fear or hesitation. Well, it's solidly consolidating here. Had this freaking push and a half. Didn't come and tag me in earlier. That's fine. I ain't rude, but it is what it is. You are green for the day. Muddy, I did place a trade. Can I just say I did place a trade? It was an A+ setup. It just didn't come tag me in. Just say. I know I love my current model. I think the doubt crept in when I started to look at what more can I do and then introduce shiny object syndrome. Blade, oh, that's interesting. Do you know how often OTT tells me keep it simple? Keep it simple. Know a lot, but keep it simple. And that's literally it. I think that I'm overcomplicating it, which means I'm overthinking it, which means I talk myself out of trades, which is then a problem. So I need to just start, I don't want to say YOLO because YOLO sounds bad, but just take it. Just take the trade. Stop overthinking, stop being silly. Just, is this a Mojo Jojo happening right now? Is this? No. Maybe. Let's see. This is Loki coiling. Let's see what it does. Hey Gonzo, what's up? Louis, how long have I been going live for? A year. Yeah, nearly. Well, same amount of time I've been trading. Yeah, I've been live the same amount of time I've been trading. I know you're on other channel, but you're spot on. You need to do. Can you see anything in the consolidation? I mean, pretty solid bullish engulfing candles. Hello? Pretty solid bullish engulfing candles coming into play. Let's see if it breaks above there. I only use one concept from top down, masters all the way to intro. I do the same way. I get 2 to 3 trades a week. Amazing. Gold is bullish right now. A higher low, which is a good thing. Why is that a good thing? Well, it broke out of the Mojo Jojo, so let's see what happens. Nice this week. I don't want to tempt them. And what's up? Autopilot is sitting on my hands, watching the candles, giving me an itch to be in a position. Yep. No, I do not trade currency pairs. I'm trading Nasdaq futures. What the? PWH. There's trendline liquidity on 4 hour. I feel like I'm being dumb. What does PWH mean? Sorry, I haven't heard PWH before. That's new. YouTube feed around me. I've never seen any of the vids before, so I think YouTube is spreading you into. Whoa! Getting spread into the US. That sounds weird. But we're gonna go with it. Up, down, out, wait, I think you should check. Oh, previous week. Thank you. Thank you. How long have I been trading? 11 months, people. 11 months. Slowly going up. I wouldn't say this is... I mean, there the body properly closed above the Mojo Jojo, so it should want to go up now. See, this is why we do not trade in the chart. Short. Okay, stays short. USA direct. No, let's see. I don't want to spray. Okay, never mind. What are other strategies you would recommend me to be like? I don't know if you really want to be like me right now, but sure. I've heard previous week high, but not it abbreviated. No. So many abbreviations with ICT. Thank you. Right, shorting the pullback, but buying volume is very aggressive. Got cooked. No! I'm sorry, Tom. I mean, I was low-key keen on that as well, to be fair, so I get it. Like I said, I really like this rejection off the bob levels. It just didn't happen. Unless this is actually a bit of a finger. Let's see what happens here. Double top. What's going on and on? The price is still going to go up. Wait for it to retrace and you sit up. You know you're high on the right track. It's just running away. That's all I think on 15 minute. Made the W. Guess you could say this pulled back on the 15 minute, not properly though. Back up, hasn't tapped anything super duper. Yeah, hasn't tapped into anything just yet. We're about to go back into this damn range level on ES on the 15 minute if you look at that. There's the new weekly opening gap on ES as well. Got stuck in that yesterday. Wow, that candle yesterday was insane. Oh, would have tagged me out. Rude. No. Cat. Turtle on Ice, I know it's a rude question, but how old are you? How old do you think I am? How many trades do I take per week? It seriously depends on the week. I took one trade yesterday. I took one trade today, but it didn't tag me in. I don't know if that counts or not. No, that probably doesn't count. So no trades yet, but obviously there's still New York session coming up later. Don't take any. No, please don't. Stop loss hit. I wasn't in that trade, so no, stop loss was not hit. What's the Mojo success rate at now? I mean, it's not bad. I would have to say it's like a 70%. Which is not bad, I guess, theoretically. Gotta wait for New York session to get other opportunities. Yeah, Tom. 43. 43. The glasses, isn't it? Wait, especially if they're there, then you can say I look like 63. 43! Bruh, I'm 27. Gosh. No, I do not only trade New York sessions, I'm here trading now. Solid music to my ears. Listen here. Listen. Yeah, I feel like this is a ballad right now.
Emotional damage.
Goodness gracious. Oh, because it was something I was forward testing. Sweet and simply. Look older than the crackhead finishing his full table. That is so rude. Market giving Stockmarket. My max risk per trade is $200. What pay? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. I'm gonna leave. Totally nice. I mean, yeah, show yourself out. Show yourself out. Rude. I now cannot trade chop. This low key. 1 minute. Okay. Was that like all of it? Done and dusted for today? That kind of sucks. Just answered League Vision. Financial. I want to check it out. Check what out? Financial network. What, the Mojo Jojo? Is that what you man? You are 27, but you look a bit older than that politely. Maybe it's because I don't have my headband on. Doesn't make me look more mature. To be fair, I have a sister that's turning 30 this year, and people think I'm older than her, but that's more to do with like maturity. I'm not profitable yet. I'm not here claiming to be profitable either. Solly? Solly? Solly?
Emotional damage.
Does the prop firm I have used is there a monthly competition? Well, not that I've seen. I haven't seen any. I know Tradeify has competitions though, which is really cool. No, I'm not married. Now it's trading. I'm 25 and I got gray hair. Blade. The other day I forgot. I think I just did this and a hair came out and I was like, oh. And it was a gray hair and I was like, excuse me? No. Well, I only lose $200 per trade. Check on you, how are you, and how's life? Hey, Pixel Tail, what's up? I'm okay. So this trade didn't come tag me in. This trade, I talked myself out of taking it. Would have been a win, but it's fine. This was not an A+ setup, and yeah, that's basically it. So yeah, and now it's just kind of going sideways, so that's fun. I'm just watching all the chaos happen right now. You're a solid girl. I'm 27. Oh, thanks, totally nice. Soldier boy, let the wombat scream. Okay. That's valid. Here we go. Oh gosh. Trump said green light yesterday for bullish day today. So far so good. We're grinding slowly but expecting pump in the next 15 to 30 minutes. Okay. What motivated you to start trading? Oh! Interesting question. I haven't been asked that in a while. Sweet and simply just the freedom. The freedom of it. Doodle, yeah. Take risks, only way to get out of the rat race. Okay. Controversial take, right? Some people say take risks, no risks, but doesn't that completely contradict risk management? And everyone says risk management is the key to successful trading. So discuss. 126 for trading gold makes me look 16. Rough, I hear you. Milan, what's up? How you doing? Fitness industry don't pay. Not wrong. Well, I mean, yeah, not really. Because this micro level strategy is different if you trade an index versus an individual stock. I guess. Total nice. But it's risk managing, so you're still risking, but you're maintaining a safer risk. No, but you're taking unnecessarily risky trades. So isn't that not risk management? Think YOLO trade? I think so, Blade. Yeah. But almost 90% of traders lose money within less than 90 days. Yes, but that's because they expect to get rich quick. This is not a get rich quick, right? It's what everyone says. This is a marathon, not a sprint. If you're wanting to get rich quick, then no, trading is not for you. If you're willing to put effort in, time, learn every day, go through a damn battle in your brain cells, where I'm at right now, then sure, trading is the way for you. No, but I'm sending very positive vibes to everyone for the trades today, especially you guys. Thank you, Maddie. Enjoy. Oh, wait, maybe enjoy is the wrong word. No, wait, you already had the funeral, right? The funeral's done, right? Alongside trading with that? Do I have a mentorship class? No, I'm not ready to do anything for mentorship. I've been taking some large but necessary risks lately, like... Well, you're not once a level where you can constantly... No trading, no random trade because it felt right. For risk management and waiting too long or hesitating is something different. No, Pixel Tail, no, I agree with that. Wait. Do you think some volume? Hey, on the X again. Let's see if this starts dropping on the damn X again. If it does, that is hilarious. Good rejection there. How is NQ? Oh, Kyle, it ran away this morning. It was actually beautiful this morning. It just missed my one trade that I had set up. It just didn't tag me in by like 3 or 4 ticks, which was frustrating, but it is what it is. This starts dropping now on the X. Guys, this Mojo Jojo is hilarious. On the damn X. Sorry. Mojo Jojo is something that I actually did as a joke, but it kind of works sometimes. It's really funny. Oh my gosh. Am I a funded trader? Yay, this is my funded account. Mr. Krabs is my new favorite. Oh my gosh, do I recommend prop rooms? I do, especially for beginners. So you do not blow through capital. But only if you're ready for prop rooms, because or else you will still blow through your capital if you're not ready. So, it's a bit of a mixed bag there. You're long or short on NQ daily chart? Long. Hello and reverse bullish. Let's see pillow. Multiple soon I'll be dropping here 100. Interesting. On the damn Mojo Jojo. That is hilarious. Okay, sorry. Moving on. So he took that out. This would have been bob to bob. It just took me out first. So I must then maybe figure out a point system where it's like maybe 20 points above. Then it's fine. Exactly. Always buy a prop because then you're not risking your money. Like I said, especially as a beginner. What's up, Geordie? How you doing? On the daily chart, give fair value, you have to go higher. What's happening? Is alright. Mm-hmm. Wait, but Pillow, you want to now see this go. Rendering financial advice. I see. Smart. Oh, going up soon. Sorry, I felt bad because my... Oh, thanks. Thanks, David. Can you groove me in trading? Oh, please don't ever say that again. Pretty please never, ever, ever say that again. No offense. For now looking for that, but one, let me quickly see on a 5-minute how this looks now. Let's check. Whoopsies. Oh my gosh. Trading View? Seriously. Seriously. For actual crying out loud. Anyways. Where was the full? So the full range was, no, technically from here to here. That was absolutely much there, but it was very close to that. That's not really what you want to see. The full range is still down below. One, two, got that over there. Three. Should be up after fair value gap retest. That amount's healthy. I see any trades? Nah. You short support to get a trade up. Anyways, moving on. Say Tosh, why? What's up? I actually got the same to the dollar. You support to get trade up. Let's see. You can double click on the time and price panel to get back to most recent peer instead of doing it manually. Yeah, Blade, I'm gonna freaking have to, because normally when I say reset, it would reset back to here, and now it's just zooming out, which is driving me absolutely insane, but I'll fix it later. What's up, El Perito Day? I feel like I butchered that. Omi says take long. Social media, I'll check you out for it. Ah, thanks, Sid, I think. What a weird thing to say, but I guess valid. Everyone's saying longs. I know, Soldier Boy. Everyone is saying longs. I'm thinking this might continue further down. everyone's going buy, buy, buy. I think this might be going back up. Let's see, this might be creating a high low. Me choking the so what? Else this fair value gap should go up. If not, it will go lower low before. J-Bar trading against trend. I mean, the trend over here was sideways, but sure. Here we go. It also has not retested back to the 50% of the full range, which is all the way down here. We're doing full range. This is the proper retest at 0.43. Let's see, it closed below the 50% of the fair value gap, which kind of shows me that, yes, this actually might want to go down. Okay. Unpopular opinion, I think this might continue short for a little bit longer. My stop is on your one. Oh no, Debbie! Sorry, okay, well, unpopular opinion, sorry about that. Trend is down, watch support to one break, or short to one. Stock for a little more downside before, exactly, trend is down, watch support one, not yet. Zigzag first. Soldier Boy, I think you made me vacation mode. What did I do? What did I do? You're welcome, but I don't even know what I did. I'll take it. Oh, no! Sorry, I'm saying no for Debbie. Watch what it takes on ES at the same time. Hasn't gone below here yet. Cool. Where's everyone that said buy here? When all of you say long, it makes me want to go short, just saying. Mikuava, you're short in this, there we go. Thinking is my worst enemy. Work with my strategy only, no thinking, only execution of established rules. But small contracts, low risk. 355 isn't that bad. Here we go. Time to rip it. Rip it. Sorry, I made it sound like ribbit. Okay, profit was take nice profits and I stopped out. Sorry. I'm thinking of strategy work for Soldier, but maybe. Let's see if you're right. If you're wrong, you get banned. Retracement back up to there would be nice. I mean, on the 5-minute, how does this look? Yeah. Went, took out equal highs, consolidated a little bit, and now a little bit of retracement isn't the worst. Let's see if it might head back down, like I said, to the 0.5 level at 0.43. Let's see if it respects this fair value gap on the 5-minute. How does this look on the 15? Solid doji created here. Actually looks pretty solid on the 15-minute as well. Okay, well, I do like this. It's just I don't know if it's going to come back to get me. Shush. Mother bluffer. Okay, I'll have to sort this out. Now. Do. Maybe it's a mistake, it is what it is, but let's see, what is this now taken out? Still hasn't taken anything. It did. No. Not there, let's see. Oh no, Mikuabe, what happened? Excellent. It is in train additional chase to take out liquidity fuel for precaution. We change the character down after 1996. Let's see. This is coming up quite quickly, but still with my 3. Let's see. That's okay. Good luck. Thank you, Blade. Let's see. Oh, what are you doing? Ask. She's calling herself. Formation. Hello. This time I risk 150 on the setup. Oh, thank you, Toothbrush. Okay, interesting name. What's up, Toothbrush? Like I said, maybe this works, maybe it doesn't. Cheers, Maddie. I think still has some room to go lower. It's created 1 hour bullish fair value gap. 1 hour fair value gap in reverse. Fair value gap 5 minutes entry to the upside. I'm keeping an eye on the 5 at the moment. The only problem is this bull that's created here. Let's see what it does. Expect it to go a little bit higher at my time trace, a little bit lower first. Either way, it's hands off. It doesn't work, it doesn't work. It is what it is. Did you order or actually enter down there? No, this is a sell limit. We need you to be more active in— I don't even think Solly has Discord, Jordy. Soldier Boy 50-50. Deb, sorry, but at least you're in the green still, hey? How much profit did it take you out in? So like happy chappy green or me? You ever really leave the chat? Just take little breaks. Let us see what happens. Nox Trades, what's up? Shout out for the sub. How you doing? Hey Vishal, did you have a win? Yay? Going to level 0.2. Let's see. Good chance I'm out. Should be up after it goes higher in this internal structure. It went further down. I want to take the low when you can liquidity. What's a sell limit? I haven't used those, but oh! How do you get into your trades then? I guess, do you just mark it in? Do you have like an area of interest and you just mark it in there? Is that what you do? Well, I am in this, so whatever happens, happens now. Stopped overthinking so much. Maybe it's a good thing, maybe it's a bad thing. 3, 1 out here. If it gets to here. So that's how that trade will look. Now it is literally hands off no matter what. Hey Gok, what's up? We just stop boyo. Oh, let's see, pillow. If it does, then it is. Little boy, you put sell orders. Where? Nothing. Hello says up, up, and away. Tapped into 50% there. 2. Let's see. If it does, it does. Lord Shin, any tips for beginners? Bro, I feel like I'm still a beginner, so yeah. I guess to be fair, I am. What am I trading? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. So I'm just not even looking. I'm just gonna carry on. Like I said, if it takes me out, it takes me out. Hey, Nox! What's up? Zero comfort. Oh, 100%. 100%. Definitely. Would be weird if it didn't, right? No, live streaming definitely does. In good and bad ways. Oh, thanks, Noxie. How have you been? How's life been treating you? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures, stock bro. Thanks, Mr. Crab. That's all, boy. I'd like to think we were crucial for her subscriber development, just saying. There we go. Long or short without any risk, using resistance part, or just the obvious patterns. Okay, wait, I use a complicated strategy would let me simply long or short without any risk using resistance or just the obvious patterns. And do you watch the charts all the time, Assault?
Why are you doing this?
What strategy do I use? Market
thinking
auction theory
this
mixed
way?
with ICT and SMC confluences. Tools and key level deviations. Interesting. Oh, Salt. Oh, so many people have so many opinions about that. That is hilarious. So many people would disagree with that. Believe me, I've once put RSI up on the chart before. Do you know how many people yelled at me? Literally yelled at me. Guys, I'm not even watching. I'm just waiting for a beep. I don't know what the beep's gonna be, but I'm now hands off, regardless what happens. Clean colors. Thank you, Hank. Appreciate it. Not looking. Don't tell me that. I'm trying not to look. Yeah, it's an ego thing for ICT traders. Well, how dare you put indicators? Ah, there we go. Hey, Hank. What's up? Because I'm trying to stop overthinking and just take the A+ setups, because that has been my problem oh so often. It's why I missed a setup earlier, because I was overthinking, and my point of interest for it to retrace further down to was at this level 043. And that's about it. And like I said, it was an A+ setup. I'm trying to stop overthinking it as much, because that is my go-to thing. I overthink things and do not take them, and then there we go. Oh, it's okay, Noxie. Stock bro gonna get wigged out. What, do you think this is gonna go back down? Let's see if this wicks and goes back down. Ooh! Mm-hmm. Oh, like what? What do you mean, what was my setup? Like, explain. Oh, what are the... Oh, okay, so the confluences I look for are shelves, fair value gaps, order blocks, and volume profile levels. These sweet and simply are volume profile levels. Yeah. Hey, you guys, well done! Whoop whoop joop. Hey! It's 11:11 in South Africa. Make a wish. Okay, Leo, take this personally or do not. I actually don't care. Can you same for low time frame entry? So I was just wondering. Oh, interesting, Hank. Okay. Yeah, so yeah, sweet and simply, it's to do with. Excuse me. Yeah. It's to do with those three, and like I said, my weakness of recently has just been completely overthinking everything and anything. So I've missed winning trades because I didn't place, like I said. This one earlier would have been a winning trade, and I didn't place it. The previous trade that I did place, it didn't come and tag me in. This one now tagged me in, but it was A+, so it is what it is. I wish you win your next trade. Me too, stock bro, me too. Move your stop button one notch higher. Ooh, when minus 80 sticks still holding. Damn, soldier boy, okay. I don't, Jordy, I put him on a freaking timeout. New rule, anyone that says I told you so gets put on a 5-minute timeout. Did I journal that trade? No, wait, actually, good point. I need a document. Thank you. Actually, wait. I'm going to take how the full screen looks, that I can also see the market structure happening at the same time. Go away. Mother bluffer. Sorry, the thing was in the way. There we go. Now. Have a look at that. Okay, that was a journal. Consolidation confused and you changed it, and I'm going to the bank now, leaving half my trade to ride the horse. Nice, Pillow. Okay, got it, Pillow. Thank you. Is it funded? It is. Shelton. Well, it's nearly a dead funded, but it is a funded. 80860. Still holding in there. For the life of me, I have no idea how, but I'm still holding in there. Solly? 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 Oh gosh. It will break down a new low. Step by step analysis. Let me do one better. Let me just save it into my notes. Control V. There we go. Into my notes. Thanks, Pillow. Hammer, I pray you make that. Me too. 50 plus 67. What color is your Bugatti? I wish I knew. The glass is giving Velma, and you know what? That is a compliment. You know, someone actually said I look a little bit like that actress the other day, and I was like, thank you. Carlos, re-int. But oh my gosh, it does look like it's gonna go back down now, doesn't it? Nah, it still would have taken me out regardless of where I had that. Where's your TP stop loss? I look like Beetlejuice. Solly, that's just because I'm crazy. When ICT trader, I never met a nice trader that doesn't just... Aw, thanks, Hank. Of course. The whole point of this is to be open and honest about things, right? I know I did not re-enter. That feels cheeky to re-enter. Watch London close into New York open. Same move most every day. Easy catch. Watch it for the few days. You'll see it. Okay, watch London close into New York open. I'm gonna check that out. That's super interesting. Tempted to get back into longs. Was stopped at 6R. I have talked you into uploading this indicator to philosophies. We can get off work. Shelton, yes, this is a funded account. Hammer, because it was a loss. Yeah. Carlos, I should just trade New York open. I trade both London and New York, by the way. The way I read it is stop loss hit equals prices not doing what I wanted, so re-entry might not be high probability. I think otherwise, in case we're distance of 20 over the sky, much faster. Stock bro, damn. Sorry. Stock bro, you can stay. You are hilarious. Check in a bit later. Cheers, Hammer. That's okay. Damn, stock bro just here being spicy. Shelton says buy gold. What is gold doing? This actually just have to start taking the bull. This may have missed me by a spread if I'd taken this. Can you even imagine? Can you even imagine if that had missed me by a spread? But this is now slowly creating... This didn't go and take out the full thing though. Hello? The full movement? That's not it. Marmite stocks are trending... I can't tell if you're messing with me. Marmite stocks. Marmite stocks? Is that... serious? Anything for you, my new cyber crash that trades. Oh, stop, bro. You stop it. You're gonna make me blush. Drew, how did I learn trading? I'm still learning trading. For those of you that are new, first of all, hi. Second of all, I have actually only been trading for 11 months. Did get a funded. I'm starting to think that was low-key luck, but anyways. That being said, this strategy does work. I've just been a bit of a silly goose recently, and it happens. It happens. Gotten all up in my head, and it's a problem. Solly, why are you saying hi? Finn, I was wondering why the frisbee kept getting bigger than it hit me. That was good. Do I know liquidity? Yes. Soldier Boy, $230 profit and done trading today. Ah, yeah, Soldier Boy, I'm glad. They call Maya the sassy Nasdaq. Gary G. Do they actually? Is that a thing? Hey, Clip Ritual Studio, what's up? How you doing? Gary, are you over 50? Why are you asking that, Solly? That feels rude. You can't ask people their age. I know everyone asks me my age, but that's different. Like, I guess it is what it is to ask me my age. Okay, this is still kind of doing this. It's fine. 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 Price action is not helping with me getting all up in my head right now. but it is okay. So, who else has had a awesome whoop whoop today? By the way, it sounds like quite a few people had awesome whoop whoops. Super proud of you for those that did. If this now goes down, I'm just gonna be like, are you freaking kidding me? You can't even see them, Solly. Why are you being such a bully? Good grief. Yeah.
Emotional damage.
Possibly. Oops, exited soon, I think. Yeah, let's, well, Soldier Boy, let's see. Let's see. Low-key choppy, it kind of just went back into this range. So I thought that was kind of a fake out. I guess I probably should have waited for some more solid confirmation with regards to this, but it is what it is. And like, how do you read the graph in different time frames? Like, how do I go on to the higher time frames? No, they call her the bossy Aussie, but I'm not Australian, I'm South African. What was the biggest mistake in my trading journey? Well, I'm still in my journey. I feel like I'm still gonna make lots of mistakes, to be fair. My biggest mistake, to be fair, I think the biggest mistake is what I'm actually currently trying to work on right now. I am overcomplicating things and overthinking things. So talking myself out of A+ setups that would have been winners, and then I guess it's revenge trading, then getting frustrated for doing that, and then just leaping into the next one that presents itself, and then those tend to be losers. So like I said, I think I'm in the biggest struggle so far. I made, listen, at the beginning I made tons of mistakes. When I say tons of mistakes, I strategy hopped. Disaster, absolute disaster. Properly strategy hopped. Then, gosh, tilted quite often. I had one where I said screw it and faded myself. But I feel like those are all common. Now, this feels like the biggest challenge that I've had recently of I am overthinking everything, maybe overcomplicating it. Now I'm doubting my strategy, being like, maybe I need to find a new strategy, but then it goes back to the strategy hopping. But yeah, it's actually currently my biggest frustration right now. And it's driving me crazy, but it's okay. We gotta just carry on. From yesterday, so we'll see what New York Open does. Nice, Hank. I've got 5 minute 15 minute market structure. There's nothing that says you should take short. You must only until the structure changes first. Key point ICT SMC. Solly, you are this close. You are this close. You are this close to being timed out. I'll put you on a 5 minute timeout, Solly. Watch me. You're lucky I like you. Australian, South African, tomato. Listen here, Gary. No. How about just valid and invalid setups? Not A, B, or C. I mean, sometimes the B's and C's work out. What do you mean by... Explain? Lonnie? Blade? Interesting. Wait, I suggest when you feel emotionally calm, compare winners and losers. Not their executions, but top-down analysis and thought process from journal. Usually helps me when I overthink. That's interesting. Thanks, Blade. See, that is constructive criticism. Probably taking profit though. You gotta take a shot of apple cider vinegar and just go for it without thinking. You know, I used to do that. I used to do that every single day, so that's fine. No, sorry. Don't trade the crypto market. Soldier Boy, it's going down. Soldier Boy, let's just keep quiet. Just keep quiet. Do I track trading statistics or keep a journal? Yeah, basically. Well, big plague do it. Honestly, most strategies work with risk management and consistency. Exactly. Have you ever heard of golden pocket? Low time frame liquidity, like the value gaps or key levels? I haven't heard of golden pocket, Hank, but low time frame liquidity, like fair value gaps or key levels. Yeah, I know about those ones. Interesting, Blondie. Okay. I haven't really thought about it. I took that short from the GP that was made. And reverse value gap that was made. So, Hank, are you now in a short? Whoop whoop is the sound of the plane. Oh, Solly should look into what constructive criticism is. Yeah, listen, Solly's just here to be mean to me. Solly is like the bully. He's here for one reason and one reason only, and that's to bully me. But like I said, he's lucky I like him. So you can find any setup at any time, but it can be valid or invalid with your strategy. Took myself out of 2 trades last week thinking it was 50-50 price action. Spent the weekend studying my old trades because my gut was telling me to take it, but I was thinking it was 50-50. Soldier boy, am I annoying? No, you're not annoying. Hello, what other strategies have I tried? Oh damn, so like stupid simple ones, especially when I started, like rejection off of order block. To be fair, that wasn't terrible. I think I just started using the incorrect order blocks, but all of them were basically one-to-one trades, which is not ideal. One-to-one R's, sorry. Then there was like, looking back, I don't quite know what I was thinking. Off of consolidation, so 3 or more candles. Oh, so basically breakout trade. I would have a breakout trade. Then I tried when there was an engulfing to market in. That was probably the worst one for me. Wow, that did not work at all. Solly thinks the Dow Jones is a band from England. Oh, look at that. Seriously, Sam, do you really want to be put in timeout again? The rule is, you say I told you one more time. Seriously, say I told you one more time. Let's see what happens. But at the time it's telling you might lose, and losing before you lose is better than jumping in. Okay, that makes sense, Delaney. Assault, 50k, I'm down. Like I said, I am in drawdown. I'm very open and honest about that. So there is quite a high, well, no, that's me just being negative. But I have accepted the fact that I might blow this funded and then just on to the next, right? Always learning. Always learning different lessons. Sam, you're making my WTF lines worse. Seriously, I read that and you hurt my brain. You actually hurt my brain reading that. Seriously? Seriously? Okay, moving on. Moving on. Can I give you a strat? Theo? Depends. Getting tired of this chop, I hear you. Blondie says it's gonna sell. Time frame. I'm on the 1 minute time frame currently. Why? No, not so. No, not CRT. Some never make it to funded phase. 11 months of trading and you funded already shows it was not luck. Oh, thanks, Blade. You're amazing. I appreciate that. Again, entering with 0.02 lots. Wait, Soldier Boy, you're gonna take a short again? Really? But rejected off of this volume imbalance pretty solidly. So just be careful. It really, really rejected off of that volume imbalance. So let's see what it does. I don't know. You can, yeah, Leo, you can show me your strategy. Love you, baby doll. Brian's Globe. Thank you. Sorry, I don't know why baby doll makes me be like, oh. If anyone is in this, y'all are the liquidity. Why do you say that, Joe Bot? Look at you making my what lines do what, not my WTF lines. Okay, let me show you. You don't know WTF lines? Sorry, my face is very loud. I have been told I have a very loud face, so people can very quickly tell what I am thinking. Because unfortunately, my face is very loud. So if I'm judging, I do like this, you know, scrunch, or this. So my, you know, what the F lines, my WTF lines, yeah, they're basically my judgy lines. And maybe you guys have to stop giving me so many, no, not you guys, just people in general. I need to quiet my face down because it's very obvious what I'm thinking. I've been told it's a problem. Literally, my friends have looked at me before and said, your face is very loud right now. You need to quiet down. And I'm like, oh, oops, oopsies. Anyways, yep, that's it. That's what that is, Louis. For 1 minute owes me so much money. What's up, AJ? How you doing? It's just trading in between. Yeah. It's just... yeah, it's just not great. Barcode. Wild hunch. Need to wait until it's in the highs and lows of this range. No, I don't trade crypto. High low, gonna take all those buyers down there. Mainly trade using fair value gap and candle wick reading. RS 1 to 2 is consistent 10 trades a day and I'm done. 10 trades. Oh, sorry. 10 trades a day, damn. Okay. So mainly trade using fair value gap and candle wick reading. Oh, okay, wait. I'm curious about this candle wick. Candle wick. Pickle Rick. Anyways, candle wick reading. Please elaborate on that, please. Eddie, what's up? Entered now. New girl with a loud face once, but was cushy. Maybe they had a whole talking to the screen like the characters could hear her. No, Louis, that would drive me crazy. Darling, baby doll, any sugar-related innuendos will be banned. No mercy shall be shown. You have been warned. There we go. Geordie's on this. I know. I'm good at doing nothing. Soldier Boy, yeah. Short 25062. Tony, weren't you just judging me for taking a short earlier? Literally. Weren't you giving me... oh, I nearly swore. Ah, real 0 to hero. That was terrible. Candle range theory. There we go. English, nailed it. Oh, I was right. There we go. So Soldier Boy, you took it. Watch this work out. So then I had the correct idea, just didn't work out. Which case, cool, nice. I will take that. I will take having the correct idea, just incorrect stop loss. A real aim. What landed green? Want to sculpt this? Blondie? No, you didn't. What? Blondie? No, I didn't. What? Blondie, what just happened? You need to perceive it at the moment. Can you not let me have one thing? Like, that was rude. Can I not have one little thing? But I hear what you're saying. I hear what you're saying. There's been times when people say it's a buy now and a sell now and then it buys, but like this much. I'm like, but that's not a buy. Valid. Valid. I will accept that. Thank you, Blondie. I will accept that. Of yesterday's levels and it should reject it, but it's probably smashed through it. Plus 310. Damn, soldier boy! Basically for golden pocket, you use the trading view. Oh, okay, got it. I select 618. Oh, okay, Hank, so okay, got it. Bob Ross, bro man. Microsoft going back up firing now. Bob, you good? Sideways, sideways. Why are we going sideways? Bam. Okay. You were trying to hit a reversal if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, basically, Eddie, yeah. If the trade you took here went long because MS says bullish wick to go long. I exited when bearish wick told me to get out. Okay. We took 3 trades, got some dubs off it. Interesting. Want more tips? We are selling. Thanks, Lonnie. From a low bullish high in a bearish trend. It's clear about liquidity. How you explained? Whoopsies! It just exit conditions are different. Have you heard of do you mean ICT? Wood? As a wood? Elias Woodard? Hey girl. Just Hey car, what's up? You can waste me. I'm taking a nice vacation. It's Tuesday. It is Tuesday? It's Tuesday. Hi. Okay. Look for miss that should make resistance less than the just pass it. Oh, no. Nope, ICC. No, what is ICT is SMC, right? Oh no, there's some debates about that. Just open long on ET8. Hey! Oh, good grief. Yeah, Clip Ritual Studio, why? Good grief. Good grief, why are we all in caps? What's up? Oh no, Solly's not talking to me, never mind. Why would Solly ever be talking to me? Never mind. Oh, no, I use a different name for that. That's why. That's why I do not call it ICC. I call it AMD, there's a difference. Well, same, but just different. Same thing, different spelling. You guys can choose weekends whenever they want. Okay, you know what, Soldier Boy? You got me there. You did indeed get me there. What's my thoughts on crypto market? No idea, Mike. Don't look at who's trading crypto. What are your thoughts on crypto market? How much can you pull out? Yeah, you do you, Kara. Thinking of you. Much love. Crypto is dying. So, oh damn, Assault. Why do you say that? Soldier Boy, you going tomorrow? No. Where are you going on vacation? Let's maybe ask that, seeing as this is now going sideways. Seeming as this is indeed going sideways. Give me a second. I don't know what he's barking at. Y'all keep watching the charts for me.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Never mind, he was barking at the pool pump. I'm sorry, what? What did I just read? Walked with AJ, what's up? Trading psychology. Focus on your trading psychology, not strategy. Blondie, I know, I'm trying. I am trying. Hank, exactly, AMD. Last high. What did I miss? Emerald, what's up? How you doing? Want to buy a whole cup. Tony, are you serious? Sorry, that's what I wanted to ask. Really 6 a.m. New York. Is up at that time? Do anything will just help out someone who's dying doesn't seem. Ah, okay. Bye. For TikTok, I mean, he's barking at the pool pump. He's, yeah, I mean, he's doing a banger job. You know, that pool pump could try and get me at any moment. Hang on. Gold in. I dare trade crypto on easy wins and they let you leverage 20 times. Damn, that's insane. Crypto's there's a point, but the risky tech asset, well, gold will always be the safe haven. Yep. But that's why gold is the... What do we call it? Gold is the oh my goodness, the fear currency, right? When there's fear in the world, gold goes up. He got stuck in a pool pump once from doing it. Louis, I have so many questions. I got bit by Violin, a big scare on with the chain. Solly, I actually really believe that you need to write a book. Literally, I think you need to write a book because you sound like you have had such an interesting life. It's creating a Mojo Jojo again? Huh, interesting. Cara, I was thinking the same thing, but I knew I would get rubbish if I said anything. Ryan, can you explain the trade idea I had? This one here. Sweet and simply, I had 3 confluences for my setup, so it was an A+ setup. That was it. Maybe I should have waited for a little bit more confirmation that we were going to continue down. And then just kind of went back into the range. And that's okay. Hank, have you ever heard of TR Pockets? No. Hey, Tamil, what's up? How you doing? It's like People that use AMD instead of continuation trades. Oh. Oh, okay. What's your advice on a volatile day like today? Well, for me, where the strategy does not work, where it's choppy, hands off. If the price action doesn't work for your strategy, walk away. That's basically it. If you do not have a strategy that works with it, walk away, or else it's kind of gambling. Hey, Secretary, what's up? Thank you. Other question about, do you decide where to put your stop loss? Oh, Louis, sweet and simply, it's Ganbox. Ganbox 1 to 2R. That's it. So here, entry, stop loss, TP. I have it all set up on the Ganbox. It's supposed to help me stop overthinking so much. But yet again, I then talk myself out of taking freaking trades like an absolute numpty. But it is what it is. Huh, interesting. I mean, just stay out of the chop, not worth it. Aww, well at least you know, Soddy. Damn, so you know when you're doing that with a dog, but not with me. Funny. Where would I go on vacation? Like if I had a lot of money? Tamil, I'm using some ICT concepts. I'm not exclusively doing ICT. Currency pair, not trading currency pairs, trading Nasdaq futures, what's up? Yeah, exactly, Louis. I know a lot of people have love and hate with regards to that. But Louis, it's sweet and simply there needs to be 3 confluences protecting the stop loss. That's what makes it an A+ setup. Does that make sense? Aww. Thanks, Bar. I feel like it's gonna go up, but I'm not familiar with this time frame. Interesting. So, Assault, do you normally trade the New York, right? Hot dog is a taco. Okay. 12 minutes. Yeah, I do have Discord. It's in the description below. Let me actually also do this. Why not? Here we go. If you'll want, obviously. I don't know why I'm saying y'all a lot today, but it's okay. We're going with y'all. I was trying to understand that. That's why I asked. Ah, but you have a decent win rate. And well, Louis, not so much anymore, but it's because of the fact. Like I said, the win rate is not because of the strategy. The win rate is because of my head. Does that make sense? The win rate has gone down because I'm overthinking things. Ryan, yes. Well, the micros to be specific. What? A different pie juice? Shorting 0.2 to full TP, nice. Probax, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures micros to be exact. Is it harder? Oh yeah, 100% Assault. It has its ups and downs. Put it that way. Trade micro ES. I mean, walk with AJ. Part of me wants to get there first, because I think ES respects levels or confluences a little bit better, just from what I've noticed. Not always, but just from what I've noticed. You have a Costco in SA? No, we don't. Do we? No, I don't think we do. Not that I know of. I don't really get out the house much, let's just be fair. I ride, I'm in my bubble. I trade, I ride my horses. I eat, sleep, repeat. Yeah, that sounds quite boring. Anyways. Ryan, how many micros am I risking per trade? Depends on the range, but I always risk around $200. Except for now, I have de-risked a little bit while I'm getting out of my head. NQ is tough, it really is. Yeah, NQ is a diva. Oh, I get it is going up. I guess it's all the same. It's been respecting the absolute heck out of this volume imbalance. Check how many times it's dropped into it and then just bounced right off. It has its ups and downs. Wow. Wow. Was profitable. I did that too, I think. Yep. But once I backtested and got good at chart maps, started winning battles, and then I just applied same method. See, Louis, I think that's the next step. I think that is just the next step. Yeah, they are. They're awesome. More than more. Just makes sense. Right, if you disagree, basically. Yay! Yay! Awesome. Welcome. Chop continues. I agree. So about 5 micros. I assume with Ryan, it really depends on the day. Like really, it depends on the day. There's been some days where I could only take 2 micros. I mean, there's been some days where I could take freaking 13 micros. Let that sink in. That sounds insane, but... Want a battle on chart champs? To be fair, I haven't even really heard of chart champs. Louis, I'm gonna have to check that out. Chart champs. Let me add it. Chart champ. Okay. I'm gonna have to go check it out. I'm expecting that. A little bit of a volume imbalance. Promax Wizard. Guess a little bit more on view. Shoot. I'm actually not sure. Halfway one. You trade CFDs. Nice. Math will definitely invented, not discovered. It's just a giant. Having a boring schedule means that you have a hyper focused on your. Oh, Eddie, I appreciate that. Check it out. It's sick. You can battle people for free. And you can battle people. Problem is that I would probably definitely be like, see, I'm super competitive. Doesn't. Or more unfunded. See, oh wow. Ryan, do you trade? Some people are beasts. So much to learn, so I try to enjoy as many discords as I can with trades. No, yeah, go for it. I mean, people don't actually chat that much on the Discord. You guys need to be better. But it's okay. I wish I had a boring schedule. I haven't looked at the chart in like 5 days. What? Seriously, that's not good. I'm being overconfident. Soldier Boy? No? Did I say you were overconfident? No? You can just adjust your trading style with your schedule. Benjamin, like, do you know what it is at all, or? I trade the wicked model. And how's it been, Ryan? How long have you been trading for? Sometimes we have like 1 to 40 hours. Come again? Come again? 1 to 40 hours is insane. Like, that is properly insane. Your skill against other trading the battle is like 5 to 10 minutes long, depending on the tournament you choose. You would dig this. I'm gonna have to go check it out now, Louis. This sounds amazing. Libra, what's up? How you doing? Crypto is right on schedule. Mike M, what did it do? Why are you being so cute? Sorry, my dog's doing that thing. I don't know if you guys know when dogs are listening to something and they just keep tilting their head side to side. It is adorable. Do you know who that is? No? Should I know? I feel like what? Oh, okay. Go away. Psychology on my side. Ryan! Need to start a freaking psychology group. We need to find someone that's a psychologist to be like, sort us out. Fix it. I'm telling your voice to figure out what your vibe is. Ah, that makes... Oh, really? That is... Wait, Louis, is that like a fact? Quarters 15R once in a blue moon. I target 4R and leave a runner. Ooh, hand, damn, that's cool. Oh, got it. Ah, cheers, Ryan. Are you off? Ah, this chop is irritating. I mean, it's oh so slowly headed towards TP. Do you know what is interesting though? So if I had taken the bob to bob off of this one, don't even know how many R's this would be though. Still a 3-hour trade. I mean, I would still have been in this. Let's see if that goes back to bob level. If it is, then seriously, Maya, just stop being a chicken and just start taking them when you see it. Solly, seriously, Solly. Sure, let me go check the Discord. Oh, for anyone that did join the Discord, please just be aware that there are people who are scammers out there, so just be careful. Just be careful. Don't let the scammers win. That's all I'm saying. Whee! And general chat, go away, bug. So you say at the 0618 level, correct? It's when entry for buyers. Great time to enter along. This worked out, then I think you can journal. What made you skip it? Naming the problem will help fix it. Oh, so Blade, sweet and simply, the bob to bob level, I haven't actively traded it, but someone yesterday said that I'm actually pretty good at spotting when the correct setup is there. Like this happened and I wasn't so sure on it. But for some reason this week happened and I was keen on it, which is, I guess, low-key a bit contradicting myself there. But let's see. I'm gonna have to be better with the bob to bob levels. So I haven't actually traded it, but it's been something I haven't actively been forward to. Well, I haven't. I can spot when it's a good bob to bob level. It's also why my next point of interest, I don't know if you guys saw, I left a runner to here for the bob to bob level. Here we go. It stops below the 0618. You say I missed it and over time it makes emotional dent. True. Tony, literally when you popped in, you said long to 25300. Those were literally your words when you came in. Like phone, main reason your battery drain stop. Holding that trade for an hour. Damn! Well done, V. That is awesome. Whoop whoop. Okay, looks like bob to bob. Just about where the correct entry is and figuring out how many. Maybe 3 points above is a good. Go away. Good point of interest to put it at. What's up, Property MZR Group? He's gonna trade rest of the week with swing long to 419. He says it's a nice trade. This is where the 50% of the full range is. At 043. And the rest of the week, bam. Oh shoot, guys, look at the time. Oh, damn it. I have to go. Oh, I'm gonna run out of time. Damn. Okay. Shoot, I got overly fixated. Whoopsies. Okay, I'm gonna have to go, guys. I need to go to the horses and sort out me life a little bit. I'll be back for the New York session. Maybe see you guys there. Yeah, if you want any discounts, you can use my code TEACHFIRE, all caps, no gaps. If not, it is what it is. You guys want to join the Discord, you can. Like I said, just be aware of scammers. They're very irritating. But I love you guys madly. Be back for the New York session. You guys are awesome sauce. I love you madly. Bye. And